Greetings on 7 Earthquake. We're at a ruin very close to Navajo Nation, Wukoki or something like that. But it's like one of the most impressive ruins, they say. Catch it in a minute. Wukoki. It's like rock and some sort of mortar.
I don't know how I'm supposed to be up here, but I'm doing it.
Oh yeah, you know, they got footsteps for
I
us.
mean, as a Navajo woman.
Oh, why wouldn't you? I mean,
I'm not allowed to go touch the ruins of these ruins.
really?
No,
I didn't know that.
but I'm here.
Nice and polished. There's more in here. Whoa. Look out the window. Oh, there's a nice shot with the moon.
Pretty cool?
Well, you can see the roof is open. You can see the moon shining through.
Cool?
Well, if you're into that kind of thing, yes. You can also see it through this window, I think. No? Yeah, you can. Oh, that's a cool shot. Seven Earthquake. And we went to Sunset Crater.